Hello, welcome back to Roy's Workshop, and today we're working on Dave again. We noticed whilst he was in bits, the chassis, where the bump stops, were very close. Yeah, you can see how close. There's only an inch or two maybe. Whereas on Priscilla it's a lot more. So we asked our spares guy. Oh, we'll go down the pit. We asked our spares guy who's just around the corner. See the difference? A good sort of 4 inches there. If he knew somewhere where we could get this repaired. So and he brought us here. So we'll have a look underneath. What's up?
5.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
7. What about the back?
Oh. Ah, yeah.
New.
Yeah. Just replace them all, to be honest, mate. Oh, that might be why then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. So just
good. But yeah, you can see how close this is. It's like it's 2 fingers. A girl wouldn't complain. I mean, if you were just warming up, but I suspect after a bit of time she'd get a bit bored. So we'll talk price, and he's got a small selection of springs, which is good. See how far we can go.
Ah, new.
Has he got new, is he?
New ones, yeah, if you want new.
How many they can farm now?
Ah, they're listings, I think.
Ah,
so
okay.
One to make it higher.
Okay.
قدام 2 حبة ما في هنا.
ايوه. 2 خلاص.
ركب 2.
Yeah.
ورا 1 زيادة.
And back.
Yeah.
Front as well.
So, okay. So replace one of them to lift it on the rear. Phil's on Google Translate. Oh, these are good stuff. We'll. It's another great workshop. Sketchy and buggery. I love it.
What shop up?
Hey?
What shop up?
Oh, it's,
You want the original springs bending?
yeah, you want the car lifting back up to standard height, maybe a little bit more. Bumper update. The guy that you last started speaking to wanted quite a lot of money.
Yeah.
He kept going up. Phil gave him his phone, and he kept typing in numbers, and then he kept hitting
actually, we need
multiply, and then he kept adding something else, and then multiply, and it was getting. I mean, don't get me wrong. We were looking at.
When it's nearly £200
Yeah.
for just the U-bolts alone.
Yeah.
Used, not new.
Yeah, used ones.
Used ones for
Whereas
£200.
there's only one that needs to be changed because we've obviously clattered it off of a rock. But yeah, when it was getting that far, before he'd even started looking at the springs, it was just like, no. So we politely declined. It's weird because when you politely decline, they're like, oh yeah, okay.
No problem, no stuff like that.
Yeah, so we've come and seen Sammy. Sammy's over there. We've tried to find another place through Sammy because Sammy generally knows where to go.
He's got some good contacts.
The 2 places that Sammy knows of, both of them are shut, so that's getting Dave done tonight off the cards. But whilst we're here, I've had the knuckle that we bought some half shaft out of, had that trimmed down, so we've got this part, so we may be able to repair the problem that is hiding down here. Whereas this has obviously been repaired many times in the past and very poorly. And this has been battering around for a couple of weeks now. You can probably tell by it's been so polished on that back edge.
Oh my god.
So we're going to see if this chap here can fix it for us. Sammy is obviously a fantastic interpreter.
Sammy swap.
So yeah, we're going to see if we can get this attached tonight, and then I can start looking at doing the bushes for Priscilla and the shocks as well, because the shocks are shot to shit. Oh, here we go. Salam alaikum. hopefully this down there.
بس مع عاصي جدك هنا هذا
this خلاص
شيل القديم شيل ولحم ليها بس بينهم
لا
هذا
that yeah ايوه and then this
هذا جديد
ايوه
ايوه مضبوط فهمت الشغله بس خلاص نو بروبلم
oh excellent
القديمه تنظفها
ما تكسر.
ايوه
هذا لازم نسوي نبض.
he's going to do a good job
ولحمها صح مبشر
فهم اصلي. ايش افضل انا؟
بس
ها؟
تبغى واحد ويسكي
ايوه ويسكي.
ايوه عشان الخميس
good price
تبى تكسر يا سام
how much Sammy
لا يا رجال
سامي
يروح
how much
جيب هنا خيره.
هاو ماتش
جيب هنا. كم؟ ماني؟
ايوه
ها؟ فلوس.
Valus
100.
oh yeah fine yeah sold
ها؟
100 beer yep 20 quid quite looking forward to having hopefully fixed suspension. So where are we at? The no, let's put it oh. ما في مشكلة. Sammy's just had a go at me because I've agreed to 100 real. I don't care. I just want to get fixed.
يعني بين دولي بايبر
لا this ما في مشكلة. Just buzz that on there. خلاص.
ايوه ظبطها
هذا
you need to grind off the old one though
ليه
and then you need the old mountain
Oh yeah. That's just say I want this off.
Yeah.
On that on. Don't worry about the shock.
we can do it another day
This. خلاص.
finish
خلاص. Just cut. Done. And he's got some nice gear. Oh, he has a Lincoln stick welder and a Miller. He's using the Lincoln. We don't have an ECU, so that's good. Hopefully he's not going to char through the brake pipe. So he's put, funnily enough, I had a towel under the driver's seat and me and Phil have just wet it up to save the brake pipe, which is directly behind the mount. But he's now got a gas axe, going to cut off the cleat, clean it up and then weld it back on. Oh, thank goodness for that. Look at the welder. Oh, grinder, good.
it's an English Lincoln
So I've got a Lincoln, and I think that's fairly recent. Yeah, it's good. Oh, he's cutting.
ما حاول اصور
Huh? What? I think that seal's buggered.
عشان هنا فوق حق الرانش ما يصل نار عيب شوف يدير نار كذا عبد كذا فوق خلاص
الحين يجيك على طول.
معني بالله اللي
خلاص تقول شيلوا طراز.
ايه شوف هذا
حتى شاكوك خلاص طلع.
الحامة قديم ما يحتاج جلخ ايه يجلخ وظبط
I have no idea what's going on. Do you know, Phil?
I don't know, but if I was the guy doing the cutting,
Yeah.
I'd be raging right now.
Yeah.
With the amount of people trying to get involved with my job.
Yeah.
This is my job, my business, this is what I do.
Yeah.
Just leave me the hell alone.
Yeah.
And I'm talking about these are our friends.
But to be honest,
it's still annoying me.
they are keeping an eye because he was getting quite close, that seal, which we replaced not long back. But he's taking the same precautions as what I would like to see, so I'm quite happy. Oh, sorry. But yeah, having full suspension. And the front end won't wallow as much when I go over bumps. Typical Saudi electrics. What's your feet? Oi, oi, oi. We'll let him clean up and we'll catch up with you in a moment. And this is where we're at right now. He's managed to catch the seal a few times, but thankfully just the metal ring, I think. And yeah, there's bits missing. Good?
There's less than there was before.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not bothered about reattaching it, just weld it on.
Saudi Arabia, Britannia. Yes.
Oh, me.
بقلة. إن شاء الله زواج بريطاني إن شاء الله.
We're gonna have a couple of moya.
موية؟ أوكي.
ايوه. Which one?
بطارية.
ايوه. Oh yeah, you want it running? Okay. At random, I'll give you that. Oh. You sure? I don't know. You want it running?
Start.
بطارية فصل. طيب فك اوكي امسك.
Oh, did you want the engine running?
بطارية.
Battery off.
Oh, battery.
ايوه. اعطيه ووتر.
Where is it on yours? Oh, it is. Sorry.
ايوه. No problem. فيديو بريطانيا الحين اشوف
يوتيوب.
والله يوتيوب.
Rory's workshop.
يوتيوب. هذا قبل لازم تسوي صورة يوتيوب. ايوه. ايه.
Search.
Okay.
يوتيوب. سامي مشاري فيه. جاكو ورني. يوتيوب جاكو. ايه. لهم قناة في اليوتيوب يا ابن الحلال.
Welcome, Ronnie. Oh yeah. This is some Inception stuff going on.
Incredible. Big Danny. Yes.
القناة عام.
Hey.
هاي جدة.
Jeddah here. Strap your
جدة الحمدانية.
شو اسم القناة؟
غني. عندك يا ولد في القناة. أنا ظني قاعد أربط. معانا إيه.
Yeah, how does that work? Cover your eyeballs and your face balls. We'll inspect his welding once he's done it. We've just squared it up, and he came up with a good point. He's put the wheels from full right to full left to make sure that it'll still clear. But yeah, sounds good. Lincoln sounds good. All is well. Don't look at the don't look at the blue light. He has protected the brake pipe. If he hasn't, we'll find out on the way home.
We've done that before.
Yeah, we have done that before. At least they're fairly easy to get hold of. It looks like a good job. So quite pleased about that. Ready for bed. Ready for bed. Oh yeah. Oh goodness gracious me. Halas? Oh, excellent. Just knocking off the slag. She gets everywhere, she does. I'll show you in a minute. I know you're all dying to see. Come. Have a look.
انت معلم كم يعطي زمان؟ انت كم بالزمان؟ 1 سنة كيف؟
متى؟ مشكلة؟ Oh, okay, good. More welding. More. I'll show you when it's finished. Hey. Okay. Yeah. Ah, okay. Yeah, I see what he's doing. Okay. And the pipe is good?
Good.
No water, no.
No water. La. Yeah, pipe's good. Yeah. Excellent. Very good. Ah, reconnect the battery. And then I best pay the man, I suppose. I'm going to put the spanner. There it is. Shukran. Excellent stuff. Well, at least we've got one car fixed. I've been meaning to do this for weeks. And now we've got a place where we know we can come to make things round, and yeah, good. Actually, what's that mean? I'll check something. Yeah. Shukran. Perfect. Right, we'll pay the man and get the hell out of here and catch up with Sammy's. Well, we're back at Sammy's. There we are. We've thrown the shock on. That's probably best for us to let it cool down a little bit. Let me see, the pipe's fine. It's good. We're going to end this one here because now we're going to have dinner because we're quite hungry. We'll eat some. Here is he. Yeah.
وساعد اظن ثبتك تعال اوريك ديره تبى شوف ديره وين تعين بس تعين اضرب تحيه.
There we go. That's all we need. Right, we're going to bugger off. We'll catch up with you all soon. Yes. Take care. Stay safe out there. Bye now.
Abu Saad.
This is very good, very good. This is very Filipino.